Hello, welcome back to Other's Legacy Farm. We're all over our illness, whatever that was. So back in the kitchen with me and Claire and Miss P.
Yes, today we're making pumpkin whoopie pies.
It's fall.
It's fall.
So it's got to be pumpkin.
Yes.
Okay, so first we do the dry ingredients. Tell what you're doing.
Okay, so... Do I mix them all together, all the dry ingredients?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're back. The flour is back in the bowl. We have, in this little thing, we have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, and 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and then a 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. So we're gonna go ahead and just pour all of that in.
Okay, mix it up.
We're gonna mix that. Paisley, one mix? One mix? Help mix.
Okay, and then I'm going to be doing the wet. Okay, here, put this in the bowl. Okay, 1 can of pumpkin. Okay, pour it in here.
Put this in here.
Put the sugar in.
Here, pour it in. Yay!
Yay! Okay, pour this in. Good job. Okay, pour. That was 2/3 of a cup of 2/3 of a cup of oil. Put this in the bowl. Then we got to put it in the bowl. There you
Yay!
go. And 2 eggs. Put that in the bowl. Good job. Okay, and then we got to mix this all up. And we'll get it started, and then you can do it, okay? And then we're going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. There, you want to stir?
Mix it up.
Stir it up. There
you go.
Good job. Okay. Let me give it one more good stir. A couple lumps of brown sugar in here. Okay.
And then we pour it into here.
Yep. Ooh, I wonder if that bowl's gonna be too small.
You want to get a bigger one?
Well, I got bread in my bigger one. Yeah. Yeah, pour it in this. We'll pour the dry into.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mix this up. I've got the oven preheating to 350 degrees. We're going to use a little ice cream scoop to form the cookies. These have a cream cheese filling.
That's my favorite. You want to help mix, Pace? What?
Yeah, these. What? What? You went down?
Oh.
There you go.
Man, this is like.
We're going to bake them for 12 to 15 minutes.
Okay, Mamaw.
Okay, now we're going to scoop them out. You only bake one sheet at a time. What?
Look what Mamaw's doing.
If you want them smooth, you can wet your fingers. Fingers and
Come on.
what are you trying to do?
Mamaw, do these go in the...
Yeah. Okay, so we'll stick them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. And we'll make up the second tray. Okay, now we're going to make the icing. Put in 4 ounces cream cheese and a stick of butter, which is a 1/2 cup. Cream that up real good. After that's all creamed up, 3 cups of powdered sugar.
Look.
Mixing up here. Wait a minute. Turn up higher.
Oh, higher?
Yeah.
Oh, there. Mamaw, you're a genius. Mamaw, you're a genius, you know. You got a few tricks up your sleeve.
Okay.
She is genius, I mean.
Okay, 3 cups of sugar, powdered sugar.
Daisy, want help, Mom?
Okay.
Or she's saying cookie.
I'll splatter.
Here. Count.
Pour it in.
Good job, Pete. Oh, oh. Good job. Oh, yeah, you are. All right, last one. Here.
Very good.
Good job.
Okay, and then give you a half teaspoon of vanilla. And that's homemade vanilla, which is real easy to make.
We can do a video making it, right, Mamaw?
Yeah. Wait a minute. Wait. We have 1 minute.
All right.
Mix that up real good. We'll put it in piping bags. We're going to need the piping bags. Nice and clean here. Wait a minute, wait. 1 minute. Okay, let's put it in the piping bag here. Get it open.
Nice. Is it good? Is it yummy? No. Face. Help Mamaw. No. All right, put it back. Put it back.
Might as well let her eat it now.
Your pace.
Facing you need.
Yep.
Here, hold on.
Okay. Okay, put the other cookie on top. Smash it down. Okay, what do you think?
Is it good? Did you hear it, Mamaw?
Okay, 1 for Claire, 1 for Papal, 1 for Mamaw. And we'll finish the rest of them.
Oh, sorry. Peppa.
Okay, let's see. Needs more icing. Need to put more. Okay, they're cross between a cookie and a cake.
Needs more icing, but other than that, it's really good.
So, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you later.
Can you say
Bye-bye.
bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.